All right, this is Mr. Wyrick, and right now we're going to cover the 3.13 area and circumference of a circle. These are the notes for Thursday. So, how can we find the area of a circle? It's pi times the radius squared. So any which way the radius is going, we square it, we multiply that by pi, that gives us the area. How do we round the answer? This is one of the things that really bothers me. Sometimes they say we're going to do this as 3.14 for pi, or use 3.14 for pi. We don't do that. We're going to put our answers, for the most part, in terms of pi, and we're just going to work from there. Also, if you're working them on the calculator, if they're asking you to round answers, it should just be you push the pi button. There should be a pi button on your calculator. You're old enough. You shouldn't be using the iPhone calculator or Android or whatever. You should be working with one that has a button for pi. So in our example, the area of a circle with a radius of 3 squared is 9, so that would be 9 pi. The area of a circle with a radius of 8 squared would be 64, so the area is 64 pi. Circumference of a circle is a different measure. It's the distance around the outside. It's similar to perimeter, but we say circumference because it's a circle. You either take 2 times pi times the radius, or you take pi times the diameter, since that diameter is double the radius. Again, we're not going to round the answers. We're going to put it in terms of pi. So if it has a radius of 7, that's 7 times 2 is 14, times pi is 14 pi. A circle with a diameter of 23, we just take that 23 times pi, we get 23 pi. So our sample problems here, the circumference and area in terms of pi. If this is 12 inches, then it would be 24 pi inches for the circumference and 144 pi inches or square inches for the area. 14 would be 28 pi for the circumference, and it would be, I believe, 196 square kilometers for the area. 9 is going to give us 18 pi for the circumference and 81 pi for the area. And then 11 is going to give us 22 pi for the circumference and 121 pi for the area. Your assignment today is going to be in Delta Math. It's a little bit different than what you would expect. So let me jump up here to your assignment. Okay. Nope. Okay. This one's not made yet. So again, we're looking for most of the answers in terms of pi. If the Delta Math is asking you to round your answers instead, that's fine. Just make sure that you use the pi button in order to find that and work from there. Good luck on this assignment, and we'll see you back next week.